Hi everyone, I am here with another DSA question. This is asked in big tech companies also, and it forms a good foundation for DSA. So basically, we will use here two-pointer approach, and we will have two pointers I and J. So I will be the index of last unique element, and J will scan the array. So initially, we will place our I at 0 and J we will start from next, which is 1. So what we will do is we will compare the ith index element and jth index element. They can be equal or they cannot be equal. Based on this, we have two conditions, and we will perform two actions. The jth index element will be equal to ith index, or jth element index will not be equal to ith element. In this case, they are equal. So let's see the equal case first. So when they are equal, we will just ignore it and move our j forward. This will make j plus plus. And when they are not equal, which is at ith index we have 1, at jth index we have 2. What we will do is we will increment our ith index and place this particular element here, and this will make it 2. So what we have done is we have done I plus plus, and we have done num of I is equals to num of j. So what this will do is this will place the unique element at this position. J will come here. We will see this is not unique. We will move our j forward. So now this is unique. What we will do is increment I and place this 3 here. So this part of array will be our result, and we will return the integer k, which is the number of elements, which will be 3 in this case. So this will be the answer. Let's code it up. So this is the final code. We have initialized I with 0, and we have our loop which will start from 1. And we will compare the I index and do the actions as discussed. So follow for more.